Welcome back to another video, guys. Today I'll be working on my 1996 Toyota Camry's fenders. I'll be installing new paint match fenders and bringing the car back to its new condition. While I worked on the car, my point of view camera quality didn't come out as expected, so I'll just be showing you the mounting points, and we'll end off with a few clips of me installing everything back on. But with the mounting points, you should be able to see how to effectively take apart everything. Alright, let's get started! Here is the inside without any fender liner. So inside, we have a bolt right there. One right there. If you go into here, there was two right there. Sorry, it's not focusing. Two right there. Right? You get an extension, drop it straight into there. And those two nuts were actually connected to these two studs, which were going through there. So pull the bumper out this way. Right? We got three up here. One, two, this is three, and that's four. There, right? One right behind the door, and that's without the fender liner. When the fender liner, you have, so I still have to do this side. Let's see, we got one, we got two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then one here, one there, one here, and that's pretty much all just to get the fender liner out. Once you got all the fender liner, once the fender liner is out, take this little piece out right here. There's a screw over here to take that off, right? And then there is a bolt here, so this bolt, I believe, and this bolt, both of them need to come off, because right now that's what's basically holding it right there. And I think after these two bolts it should come out, so let's see. Alright guys, so I have to take the bumper off because this bracket right here, see how it's underneath this? The bumper was on top of this. The bumper's connected to this piece right here. So you have to take the bumper off so that you can slide this off. And there's also this hole right here where the headlight was connected, so you have to take off the headlight as well. You don't really need to. The old fenders I was able to get off without taking these things off. Because the new one is painted and I don't want to damage it, it's probably best to just take those things off before attempting to put this on. But the new fenders are on. You can see it. Already aligned them and everything. So just need to put the bolts back in, then start putting everything else back together, and pretty much we're done. See, the bolt's not on this yet, that's why it's like that. Once the bolt is in, it'll hold its place. But yeah, not bad, decent, looks really good actually. Yeah, let's get back to work. Okay guys, the new fenders are on, and wow, they look really good. Just by changing the rusted fenders out, the car looks so much better. Overall, this job wasn't too difficult. As long as your bolts aren't rusted, you can probably do it in a couple hours. I think it definitely will help to have a buddy, but it's not really needed. You can do this on your own as well. It just takes a little bit longer, and you need a lot of patience. Especially with the old car, a lot of things are probably going to be rusted. That being said, I would suggest using some sort of oil penetration oil. It helps to release rusted bolts. But yeah, besides that, this is a good project. I'm happy with the results. Alright guys, so that's the end of this video. And I just want to take some time out and say thank you to everyone who's been supporting me. And also don't forget to like and subscribe for more content that I will be releasing.